In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to manage your NFL Sunday Ticket subscription on YouTube TV. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the YouTube TV website. Make sure you are signed in with the Google account you used to purchase NFL Sunday Ticket. Now click on your profile icon, then head over to the option settings. Navigate to the section membership, find your NFL Sunday Ticket add-on and click manage. Here you can view your upcoming membership price, applicable taxes and current payment plan. If you want to switch from a single payment to monthly installments, click explore options and select the monthly installment option if it's available for your account. If you don't want a season pass to renew, select cancel before you are charged for the next season. Keep in mind that cancellation options may be available while your YouTube TV plan is paused. If your YouTube TV plan is cancelled, your NFL Sunday Ticket renewal may be cancelled automatically. If you want to change from a season pass to month subscription, you'll generally need to cancel your season pass before it renews, then sign up for a month-to-month option when available. If you want to add or remove NFL Red Zone, you may need to cancel your current membership and sign up again with the subscription option you want. To change your payment method, open the billing tab and click update next to your payment details. You can also add a backup payment method to help prevent your membership from being interrupted if your primary payment method fails. Before confirming any changes, carefully review the pricing, payment schedule, renewal information, and cancellation details shown in your account. Subscription options and policies may change over time. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.